Okay, so here's a demo of the Wiiboard idea that I like to bring to Minds in Motion. Basically, it's taking a certain interface, in this case it's a foam board. I've used towels, I've used tablecloths, basically anything that I can attach with Velcro to. And right now I'm using a Wii remote, a Nintendo Wii remote, to send information to my computer. I could also use other types of sensors that basically track movement, and I can use those with my computer software to generate sound or to play with certain recorded songs like I'm doing right now. This is one of my songs from the camp that I work at, and I just wanted to demo some of the things that I can do with this Wii remote here, as well as something I can do with another remote, sort of as like a dance leader. So right now, the song you hear is playing just in its regular form. But if I give it enough of a jolt and a little bit of acceleration, now it's playing a recorded section of that song. It's like we're a DJ, we're just playing a certain section, and we can change the way it sounds by moving the board and moving ourselves. And we can do another sample, another section of the song this way. And I just imagine this as a way for the kids to be making their own kind of music, to be their own DJs, and while at the same time moving around with this board. And the dance leader with their second remote can always send it back to the original song by just pressing a button, and now we're back into the original track. So that's some of the features of this part. Also, what the dance leader can do, if we were playing a game of freeze dance, for example, just with the press of a button, the music's gone, we have to freeze. And then we're back. So it's sort of there's a system that we can use that I started to work on with these remotes that can really allow kids to interact with the music and perform the music with this board, and also to sort of control the music. I wouldn't have to sit in front of a computer the whole time. I could be actively helping on this board. It could be like 3 kids around this, including myself, including somebody else, and we could all be part of this process. Just another quick example, which I used in the other video. Basically, we can use this to make our own sounds too. So right now, this is just a drum beat is playing, and we can add in certain sounds, and kids can each take a turn, and they have a sound that they're listening to. So, and by moving around, they can experiment with dance and with movement and how they want to change the sound. And so we have a variety of different ones. That's one example. Here's another example we can play around with. And basically, it's like it's the idea that we're composing dance, we're composing movement and dance at the same time. That our dance is controlling the sounds that are happening. So with this software that I've started to work with and started to compose with, I've got an interface that I think will be really fun for kids to try and explore, that really doesn't take any musical knowledge, but we can do everything from these really computer digital sounding instruments to composing with a melody. So we have like a simple melody here, and just by accelerating the board, we can change it. And we have a whole, with all the sounds going, we have a whole musical piece. So that's a basic idea. And I imagine this all as a final performance possibility for Minds in Motion. And also just sort of an in-class freeze dance kind of a game. Just, I think it'd be a great addition into the daily curriculum. All right, thank you.